There are some challenging times ahead that require very careful planning and a 100% united Karen people. The current KNU leaders, Mutu Sepo, Kwitu Win, and Sa Lu Tun, have worked hard, and they believe that the NCA would be the path to peace. But that has not been the case. It's been proven over and over again that the NCA continues to be nothing more than a tool used by the brutal and corrupt Burma army to basically create a facade of their alleged willingness to work towards a democratic solution for their region, when in fact it's only being used to delay so that they can continue in the full Burmanization of the region, eradicating all of the ethnic nationalities, as they have publicly stated, through dividing each of the groups and corrupting some of the leaders. It is time for a change in leadership because the Burma army has exploited the weaknesses and the vulnerability of the current leaders, and their credibility is now in question. The future requires the next generation of leaders to assume the privilege and honor to lead the Karen people. I want to caution that as the three top KNU leaders consider retiring, continuity is critical for the security of the Karen people. As they hand the torch to the next generation, I urge them to make sure that there is a smooth transition of power so that the next generation of leaders may start off on the right foot. In addition, it would be important for the leaders that retire to stand ready to offer insight and strategy to the new leaders should that need arise. It is equally important for the members of the Karen Congress to support the next generation of leadership to lead the Karen people into the 21st century for a peaceful solution for the region after decades of brutality by the corrupt and brutal Burma army. I also want to commend General Nerda, General Bajahe, and Zabora Sang for the confidence that the Karen people have in them, which speaks volumes of their character and their courage. Many people around the world continue to keep the Karen people in prayer and stand ready in continuing to provide the medical outreach, community building, and leadership development required to rebuild their nation. There's many NGOs that have done many things over the years, and they continue to do great things with the Karen people. The world governments that are beginning to wake up and see the deceitful tactics of the Burma army, we salute you for changing your position to stop enabling this corrupt and brutal regime. And you're disallowing them to continue in their corrupt scheme of land grabs and totalitarian control of amazing ethnic groups that are freedom-loving, democracy-loving people that love their families and have sought peace through the worst of times and been vilified purposely by the Burmese. May God bless the Karen people and the countries that stand with them.